Hey, what's up everyone, this is Superdell, and today I wanted to do an updated video on the Cube TV from Amazon. When I first did the video, you got this remote control right here, alright? Still good, you know, you can still control, you know, the volume, you can still control turning off your TV, you can do that with the Cube, but again, you know, you did it with the remote. Now, since then, the new remote control got bought out by the Fire TV Stick 4K, and they got a few more bells and whistles, like, you know, if you got an older TV, you can control the volume, you can mute it, you can even power it down, you can turn off your TV. All right, even though you could do that with this, but sometimes, you know, you just want the updated, you know, you want the most updated devices. All right, so one of the questions I was getting, matter of fact, I got 2 emails and I got a question on the DST page saying, does this device come with the new remote control? All right, and we're going to get into that in a second, but this video is sponsored by Superdell-TV Filelinked, and the code is 939-89039. Again, 939-89039. Once you click continue, the pin is 2525. Again, 2525. Now, this is for the veterans. If you're new with this, you know, you want to learn how to jailbreak, you come to the right channel. Click that subscribe button. Also, you can share this video, you can thumbs up this video, and we're going to take it to another level. All right, so we'll come back to that in a little bit, but let's see if this comes with the new remote control. Let me take the seal off right quick. All right, so let me set it right here. As you see, you get the Cube, which is, the Cube got some weight to it. Of course, you got all your plugs and everything in that box. You got your batteries, and then you got your pamphlets. And yes, you do get the most recent updated remote control with your device. Now, of course, someone is going to say, well, you could do that anyway with the Cube TV. But still, not everyone have the speech to control the Fire TV Cube. All right, not everyone, you know, you have some speech impaired. Not everyone can say, Alexa, turn off my TV. So that's where this comes in handy. All right, so big salute to everyone watching this video. Again, this video was sponsored by my Filelinked. If you want to learn how to jailbreak, you're definitely going to need the Filelinked app on your Android device, including the Fire TV Stick, Fire TV Stick 4K, the box. You're going to need it all, guys. You're going to need it. And all you have to do is put in 939-89039 and then click continue. Then when you see the pin, put in 2525, and that is all you need. So guys, please thumbs up the video. Thank you for tuning in, watching this short video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Also click that bell icon so you get notified anytime I release any content on YouTube. Guys, get out there. There's no excuse now. These bad boys are $120 and they got them half off, $60 at Best Buy, Amazon, and a few more stores. They should be on sale everywhere. Do not pay no more this week, Black Friday week. If you're paying more than $60, then go to Amazon, go to Best Buy and get it. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. Salute. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.